Good afternoon, ma'am. We are excited to present our investigatory project on factors affecting projectile motion. My name is Aditya Kumar, and this is my co-presenter Anish Kumar. Together, we have worked on understanding the principles of projectile motion and how different factors influence the motion of a projectile. Before we dive into the content, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to Ms. Sushmita, our guide for this project. Her invaluable guidance, the main objective of our project is to investigate how different factors such as launch angle, initial velocity, and height influence the range and height of a projectile. We conducted a series of experiments using basic apparatus like a ball, ruler, protector, and stopwatch to measure these factors. What is a projectile? A projectile is any object that is thrown or launched into the air and is influenced by gravity. Once it is in the air, it follows a curved path called a trajectory. The trajectory is usually parabolic in shape due to the influence of gravity. Projectiles can be anything from a ball to a rocket, and their motion can be analyzed using the principles of kinematics and dynamics.
Thank you, Aditya. I'll now walk you through the procedure of our experiments and the procedure. We set up a projectile launcher and adjusted the angle of projection using a protector. The initial height from which the ball was launched was measured and recorded. The ball was launched at three different angles: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. For each angle, we measured the range, the horizontal distance.
Factors influencing projectile trajectory are trajectory, shape, dependent on angle of projection in absence of air resistance. If angle perfectly vertical, trajectory also vertical. If angle obliquely, trajectory is parabolic. If angle horizontal, trajectory is half parabola. Freefall refers to the motion of an object under the influence of gravity alone, with no other forces acting on it, like air resistance. In freefall, the object starts from rest, moving straight down.
Expected observations. We expected that in the absence of air resistance, a projectile launched at a 45-degree angle would achieve the maximum range. Our experimental result closely matched this prediction, and we saw that projectile launch at observations. We discovered that the angle of projection play a crucial role in determining the range. For example, at a 45-degree angle, the projectile get the greatest angle, while at 30-degree and 60-degree, the range was shorter. We have also experienced by
Here are some observations for the time taken by object to hit the ground under free fall. When the height increases by 20, 30, 40, and 50 centimeters, time taken by the object to approach the ground is experiments. We reached several conclusions. The range of a projectile is greatest at an angle of 45 degrees. Initial velocity has a direct influence on both the range and the height of the projectile. Greater the velocity, the farther and higher the projectile travels. Projectiles launched at complementary angles like 30 degrees and 60 degrees travel the same distance, which aligns with the theoretical predictions.